Okay, yeah, I know y'all can't see me, but I'm on my way. I'm like 14 minutes late. I said that I was gonna leave out at 4 o'clock, but your girl stayed up too late. So I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Yes, it's probably gonna take me about 20 minutes to get there, so I'm probably making okay time. But I already know it's gonna be people there already. So it is what it is. Did I get my phone? Oh my God, please tell me I didn't forget my phone. Ugh. I'll come back when I get there. Okay, yeah, I just made it. Hopefully this door is open now. I'm not sure what time it opens. Yeah, the door is open. I don't have my mask on yet because my hands is full. I'm in the waiting room for Bath and Body Works, the online thing. So I'm in line for that. Yeah. Let's see. Is it anybody in line? It's one person, 2 people. No, damn. Oh my God. I'm late. But I think I'm gonna be like in the first group of people. As y'all see. But y'all know I woke up a little bit late, but I am here. And I'm gonna hop in line. These people beat me. They beat me to it. But I think I probably will be like in the first group. It's like, how many people? 2, 3, 6, 9, 12. It's about 13 people, 14 people. Hey, when you think you're early, you're really late.
I mean, it's not that bad though.
No, it's not. It's not. It's not.
Sorry.
It's packed now.
Yay, I'm so happy. This is Candle Day, day 1. I was so excited to get into the store. This is like super early, like a little bit after 5 a.m. As y'all see, it is packed in there. But I was happy that it was Candle Day. And this is just me trying to get my little candles together to make sure I got everything that I'm gonna get for this day, because I know it'd be so overwhelming and you could just grab stuff and you might grab double of the stuff or triple. So I was just trying to make sure I got all of the items that I was looking for.
Merry Christmas!
Okay, y'all, today so far has been really nice and awesome. I just got done with work. Now I'm heading inside of another Bath and Body Works just to see if they have any of the new stuff, because I haven't found anything that's on my list at all. So I'm gonna go up in here and see what I can find. Yeah. So let's go. Okay, yeah, I got my mask. I'm out here. I'm ready. Got my cart as well. And we're gonna see what we can find in here. Hopefully they have some of the new stuff. It don't look like they crowded at all. So I'm gonna see.
a little sad when I was looking around the store and I seen the exact same candles that I seen earlier that day. I was just a little heartbroken at this point. I still looked around the store and I really didn't see nothing that I wanted, so yeah.
Okay, y'all. I'm just now leaving out of this second location, and they basically don't have much. They only have the stuff that I already got. Okay, y'all, I'm back in the car. As y'all seen, they didn't have nothing. They still have the same stuff. I just think my area is just not gonna put those candles out. I'm gonna try another location. Since I'm off for the whole day, I might as well just do whatever it is that I could do and see whatever I could find, because I've only gotten 4, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I've only gotten 6 candles off of my list. So yeah, I'm on the hunt, y'all. Tomorrow is a new day, and they might sell out today, and they might pull out those other candles. But I just don't know. I don't know. I don't know what they're gonna do. It kind of sucked that I can't find none of the candles that I'm looking for. That's crazy. Yeah, that's big time crazy. So, like I said, I'm gonna try some other stores just to see. This store actually wasn't crowded. The lady did tell me that this morning it was a madhouse. But since it is kind of late in the game, it's 10 o'clock, the stores is starting to die down a little bit. Now I'm just gonna make my rounds just to see what else is out here. I've never ever been to the store this late on candle day, ever. Every candle day I normally go super early in the morning, so this is a new thing for me to just get out here and see. I'm gonna go to some other locations to see what I can find. I really don't think I'm gonna find these candles. I probably should wait until tomorrow, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. And of course I am gonna be out here in these streets, these Bath and Body Works street, tomorrow as well, because you know your girl love a good chase. So I'm chasing candles. I'm chasing the candles that's on my list. So we're gonna see what we can find. Let's go to the next location. No, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get anything.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, when I went into this store, I was like, wow, this store is fully stocked. You know, I was thinking that once the stores sell out of candles, then they will put out the new candles. But this store right here, they don't look like they selling out of nothing. This store was fully stocked. But I actually used to shop this store for Candle Day many years ago, but I stopped going to this store because they just be way too packed. It seems like everybody comes to this store for Candle Day, so I just stopped coming to this store altogether. But every once in a while I'll drive out here just to see what they have, because I do know they normally put out a lot of their new stuff, but this store is a little ways from me. As you see, it is slightly packed. They did have a line outside the door, but everything was smooth. Everything went smooth, but I did not buy nothing because they still had the same stuff. I was surprised to see these spring and summer candles at this Candle Day sale. I really was. I guess Bath and Body Works is just trying to get a little extra money off these candles, because I believe these candles was marked down to 75%, I believe. I'm not 100% sure about that, but they was on the shelves ready to be picked, you know, and a couple of people was looking at them. I even looked at them because I wanted to make sure that it wasn't something that I was looking for, but I didn't get anything. I didn't get none of these candles at all because I actually own all of these candles. So I passed on this.
store was fully stocked. Oh my God, they had so many candles. But they did not have anything that's on my list. From my understanding, that stuff ain't gonna come out until tomorrow unless the store sells out. And that store didn't look like they was finna sell out no time soon. I decided to go to another location just to see. You never know. This location, I don't really know. But we shall see. We're gonna head up in here, and this is basically gonna be my last store. I am still gonna go out tomorrow just to see what I could see what I could find. If I don't find any of the candles that's on my list for Candle Day, I'm just gonna grab some stuff just to lock in this price, and I'm just gonna have to do an exchange. I feel I'm happy, and I really enjoyed this Candle Day, this first day one of Candle Day. But what I'm not feeling is the fact that they're holding the candles back. And I get it, and I understand the fact that, you know, they gotta save some candles for both days. I get that, but I just feel like day one is full of repackages. You know, yeah, the Giving Tuesday collection, yeah, that's cool and all, but I feel like that's basically the only new stuff. And that's just me, because, you know, we collectors, we collect the candles. For the casual shopper, they probably really enjoying this Candle Day. But for me, the person who has just about everything, and I'm looking for the actual new stuff, it kind of suck a little bit to not be able to find the stuff that I'm looking for, you know. But sometimes that's what it is. Sometimes that's what it be, and you just gotta sit back and you gotta be patient, and you just gotta wait, you know. Like I said, if I can't find the candles that I'm looking for, I would just lock in the price, and then just do exchanges. So we're gonna go in here and we're gonna see exactly if they have anything. The store shouldn't be as crowded anymore. I got a feeling like around 5 o'clock, the store's probably gonna pick back up because a lot of people is getting off work. So as of right now, most of these stores are not really packed, and the time right now is like 12:30. So yeah, I took the rest of the day off so I could really enjoy today, because I never ever get to really actually enjoy Candle Day. Most of the time I just go early in the morning, then I go to work. This is my first time where I actually store hop, and I'm trying to go to different stores to see what they have. This is actually my first time ever doing this, so I'm really enjoying it. I just really wish I could find those candles that I'm looking for, but it is what it is. So let's head in here. I said all that to say this. Let's head on in here. You never know what we're gonna find. This store might have the new stuff out. Who knows? Let's go.
I was so happy to finally find some of the new candles. And actually, when I first seen these candles, I didn't even know that these were the new collection until I noticed that these are the ombre jars. I was so happy. Oh my gosh. And then I spotted these. Oh my goodness. I was so happy. I could not keep the camera still, y'all. I was so happy to finally find these candles. So I had to slow this footage down a little bit because I was shaking the camera all over the place. The camera was just everywhere. So I'm sorry about that. I was just so happy to have finally found some of the new candles. So excited.
the candles that I'm looking, some of the candles, but I forgot my cart. So now I'm headed back in here because I sure forgot my cart. I forgot my cart, and I can't be in no store holding all these doggone candles. That ain't gonna happen. That's the reason why I bought the cart, for that. So I'm finna head back in here and we're gonna see.